Watgunuradadu. We are Ionkwahronkha'onhátie, a grassroots Mohawk language revitalization initiative and network by and for second language speakers. We aim to bring language into community, provide immersion settings and spaces that support language learners, and recenter elders within our language learning journeys.
Project Orlando was a hands-on language learning project to revitalize traditional practices of making a dugout canoe. Adult language learners, elders, children, and community were invited to the immersion space to learn how to make a dugout canoe using traditional practices. The project brought together different nations, communities, and dialects and initiated the relearning of knowledge of the surrounding waterways and language associated with it.
It's my ancestors and my modern day sisters doing this. And brother, it makes you feel real good because my mom was a boarding school person. They found all those little kids. It really struck home. When I grew up, my mom didn't teach us Ionkwahron because the people at Thomas Indian School destroyed everything in her. But her soul was strong. I'm so proud of everything that goes on here because they can be Ionkwahron kids right to the core. And that's what's taught here. It makes my heart so, but it also makes me sad because I couldn't learn all this stuff until now. Because I think if I knew all this stuff a long time ago, my life might have turned out better.
When you started to invite me to like these Ionkwahronkha'onhátie events, it really brought me out of my comfort zone and put me in environments that I want to be in, but I'm not. I don't always put myself in, I guess you could say. So coming to these events, it has really been like strengthening these type of things in my life and encouraging me to do it more on my own time apart from being here, you know. Doing stuff like this and camping and cooking over the fire and all that kind of stuff really helps to ground me.
This is wonderful. I come here every day to check on the progress of this because this is our original ancestors that did this stuff.